Did you know your car might be hiding features that can save your life, protect your engine, and even make you look like a pro driver? Most drivers use less than 50% of what their car can actually do. And today, I'm revealing 10 hidden features you probably didn't even know existed. Number 7, almost nobody uses it, but it could save you hundreds in repairs. If you are new to this channel, hit the subscription button below and follow up keenly. Okay, let's dive in. 1. Hidden fuel tank arrow. Ever pulled up to a fuel station and realized your tank is on the wrong side? Look at your fuel gauge. There's a small arrow next to the fuel icon. That arrow points to the side your fuel cap is on. 2. Hidden keys. Here's a feature that many drivers may not know about, but may save them a lot of hassle and perhaps money spent on a locksmith if their key fob remote isn't working or its battery dies. Most cars with a key fob for remote locking and unlocking the doors also include a physical key inside designed for such situations. 3. Key fob window control. Most modern cars let you open or close all windows using your key fob. Just press and hold the unlock button and watch your windows drop automatically. 4. Steering wheel height and reach adjustment. Most vehicles allow you to adjust not just the height but also the distance of the steering wheel. This helps improve comfort and driving posture. Proper positioning can also enhance control and reduce fatigue. Many drivers never take advantage of this feature. 5. Auto up/down windows. Some cars let you fully open or close windows with a single press or pull of the switch. You don't have to hold the button the entire time. This is useful when you need quick ventilation. It's commonly available but often underused. 6. Tire pressure monitoring system reset. After adjusting tire pressure, some cars require a manual reset of the monitoring system. This ensures accurate readings moving forward. The reset option is often hidden in the settings menu. Knowing how to use it prevents confusion. 8. Trunk release from inside the car. Most cars include a button inside the cabin to open the trunk. This is helpful when you're parked or assisting someone outside. It adds convenience without needing the key fob. It's a small feature that saves time. If the battery is dead and the car is stuck in park, removing a small cap near the shifter allows you to manually release it. 10. Auto start or stop system secret. That annoying feature that shuts your engine off at traffic lights? It's actually designed to save fuel and reduce engine wear, but many drivers don't know you can disable it. 11. Secret compartment under seat. Some cars, such as Isuzu D-Max, come with hidden compartments under the seats or inside the center console, perfect for storing valuables out of sight. 12. Automatic door locking. Some vehicles automatically lock doors when you start driving or reach a certain speed. This adds an extra layer of security. The setting can often be customized or turned on if it's disabled. It's a useful safety feature. 13. Speed-sensitive volume control. Some audio systems automatically adjust volume based on your speed. As road noise increases, the volume rises slightly. This keeps sound levels consistent without manual adjustment. It's a subtle but useful feature. 14. Auto-dimming rearview mirror. Certain vehicles have mirrors that automatically reduce glare from headlights behind you. This helps prevent eye strain during night driving. This feature activates without requiring input, yet many drivers don't realize it's working. 15. Automatic headlights. Some vehicles automatically turn headlights on when it gets dark. This removes the need to remember to switch them manually. It also improves visibility and safety. Many drivers leave this feature unused or turned off. Now you know what most drivers don't. Which of these features surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more hidden car secrets, hit that subscribe button because your car is smarter than you think.